Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Salam, brother, how are you?
Fine, I'm doing well. Can you hear me?
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, please. I'm hearing you.
Okay, thank you very much. So I'm going to share a link with you. So are you joined from desktop or mobile phone?
I am joined from my laptop.
Okay, that's fine, that's cool. So you can share your screen, please. First of all, I'm going to give the desired link into the Google Meet chat box.
Okay, I will show you my screen. Okay. Yes.
Check the chat link. Message box in the Google Meet. Or I'm going to in WhatsApp. Okay, wait. In the WhatsApp, I'm going to give the link.
Okay, where I check?
Just open the link.
What's happening?
Yeah, WhatsApp. Okay. So click on the.
Okay.
Open the link again. Open the link again.
Yes.
Okay. Click on the
I can hear you
extension.
well.
Click on the extension. Extension. Click on the extension. Yeah, okay. And F script. Again click on the extension. Luckily wasn't working. So like extension. Okay, F script. Okay. Click on deploy. Click on deploy.
Okay.
New development. Deployment, right? New deployment. Okay. Click on this. Description. Give the any kind of name here. New description, as you want. Okay. Click on who has access. Click on the tab. Click on anyone. Click on deploy. Authorize access. Click on this. Advance. Go to PMS. Go to PMS. Below that, right? Continue. It's all about Google, so there is no security leaks here. It's the environment is the Google.
I know, my friend.
Thank you.
So every time right now I see you
Copy the web app link. Copy the web app link, right? Okay. So yeah. So so paste into the new tab. Okay. Click on this. Paste the link and enter. Admin and the password is 1234. The interesting thing is that you can manage the application by your mobile phone as well as there are one option is barcode scanner. It's a automated barcode scanner is here.
Yes. Mobile app friendly. And this top.
Just click on the filter button. Right. Click on this. You can see there if there is any transaction, any sales or purchase, whatever you can see here.
Yes. So this here, I think this. This from here.
Click on done. Here is the source code.
I can change from here.
Yeah.
I can change from here.
Yeah, definitely why not? From here you can change anything, whatever you want.
Okay, I think like this. I can change like this.
Just copy.
I can change like.
Okay, you can whatever. If you want, you can change anything, whatever you want. Doesn't matter.
Example.
First of all, click on the index.html. There is an index.html file. Okay.
Control F.
Control F. Then search VDT. VDTT. No F.
Yes. Yeah. Currency.
Yeah.
Currency.
Currency.
So yes, if I make this, for example, I will check. I can edit.
Yeah, why not? You may. Okay. After that, elaborate the screen. Okay. So just click on save. It's already saved. And click on the new deployment. Cross the find box. Black box process. Okay, right. Deploy. Click on deploy and manage deployment. If you change anything after that, you have to do that. Manage deployment and click on the edit icon. Click on the edit icon. No. It's okay. Then version. Click on the version. Okay. New version. Then deploy. That's it. If you change anything after that, you have to do this. Okay.
Okay.
The link is the same. The link is on change.
Yes. No problem. We make modifying from the code because we make the name BDT with guns. So
if you want, eventually I can change the BDT and later I can give you the link again. Doesn't matter.
Okay, if you remove the Bangladesh and for English only and dollar, perfect. And how can I send you the fare? So this okay. And every time I need like this when I was entering the system, was asking me if you're Hakim. Every time I need it's asking me.
Okay, why not? Really.